Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete your WhatsApp group description on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. Tap on your group chat. Tap the subject of the group. This is the name of the group at the top right of the chat. Tap on the group decision. Delete the description. Tap OK to save it. As you can see, group description has been deleted. This is how we can delete WhatsApp group description